Hey, Meali team, this is Bennett. I posted a graphic that I created this morning on Facebook with some common buyer objections that we get all the time. And it's just a little graphic that you can create a JPEG or a PDF out of and send it to people because we get these same two buyer agent objections all the time. So here's how you do it. So first of all, you got to go to mykw.com. So mykw.kw.com and log in. From there, what you'll do is go to My Marketing and hit the plus sign and go to Create Marketing Materials. Now, you can use the same concept for a million different things: postcards, flyers, brochures, anything. So I'm just going to specifically show you how to do the one that I created, but you can do this. Obviously, once you figure it out, you can do a million of them. There's a ton of them. So what I did is I did print marketing in the design library, and basically I just scrolled down till I found one that I liked. So it's the did you, there's a million did you knows. I just scrolled down till I found one that had a place to add a text box. So it's the one with the tricycle. So you pick that one up. And what's cool about the MyKW marketing is you can go to personalizing and you can personalize the whole thing. So basically, all I did was replace the KW logo with the Meali team logo. I will put this on the drive so everybody has a copy of it, but basically you click there, click the replace, and I had uploaded the Meali team one, and it's in here somewhere, so I just got to find it. Of course, I've got a million that I've done over the years, but let's see if I can find this one. Here we go. The Meali team horizontal one. And then, of course, you can resize it however you want. Okay, from there, I added an image where I did my logo. Again, you have to upload your headshot, which is right there. I don't know why it didn't show up. Here, let's try that again. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then you just move this sucker over and resize it there. Okay. Then I just added a text box and moved that into place and typed what I wanted. So in this case, I put my information. And Cynthia made a good comment. Instead of doing realtor, since this is specifically for buyer agent, then I should put myself as buyer agent. Then, of course, you put your cell phone and email address. Okay, so some simple editing tools. You just resize it, of course. And of course, you're going to move this around and resize everything the way you want it so it looks good. And then the last thing you do is add a text box up here. And again, I picked one with this big blank space. And then I just put the text. Where did I put the text? I put it in a little note. So again, I'll post this in the Google Drive so you don't have to retype it. Just the text, and you'll copy and paste it. So I'll just copy that there and paste it in the text box. And then just like with before, you got to move it around and do the standard stuff. So I think what I did is I just did this and I made it bold, this line, and then I centered it. And then I made the rest of it, I think I made it 8-point font to make it fit. So I did an 8-point font, and I took out some stuff. I underlined this. So again, this is all just formatting stuff. You can bold it, you can underline it. You can bold it, and you could underline it. And I took out some other stuff. I said, try to just make it concise. The truth is that hiring a buyer agent doesn't cost the home buyer anything. Actually, the buyer agent's fee is paid by the seller. And I got rid of the rest of that because that's really all that matters there. And then down here, same thing. I sort of did it. Let's see, buyer agent. And I took out this part about all you have to do is tell the agent, because that's a little superfluous. And then now it fits, and just make it look pretty, center it however you want. Again, you have to upload your headshot, your graphic, everything else is just adding a text box. Once you get it looking pretty, you're going to save it. Of course, I'm not going to save it. And you're going to exit, and then you would just download PDF. Now this is meant to be a postcard, but what I did is, and so it's a postcard, so it's meant to be where you can print it twice, double-sided, and it's a postcard that you would send to people. Now I don't know how to do this on a Windows computer, but on a Mac, you just have to open it in preview, and you have to delete the page, and then you have to crop it. So this is a little bit of an advanced move. I don't know how to do this on a Windows machine, but on a Mac, you can easily do this. You do the regular selection tool, and just select what you want, and you can then crop it, and now you've got a graphic. And then you can save that as a JPEG, you can save it as a PDF, whatever you want. Of course, the one that you'll do is personalized. And that's it. So I hope this helps. Again, you can personalize anything. There's a gazillion templates that you can use. I will post the text that I used, and I will also post the graphic that I used on the drive, and so you guys can create your own. Thanks, and of course, let me know if you have any questions.